Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change Audi Q3 wiper blade. I bought a pair of wiper blades for my Audi Q3 from eBay. Make sure wiper blade length on the driver's side 24 inch, 21 inch on the passenger side. Let's open the box and see what we got inside. This blade comes with 3 different clips. This blade also comes with protective rubber. We have to remove them before installation. Let's take out the clips. Now, like most of the car, you can't just lift the handle and take off the wiper blade from Audi Q3. In Audi Q3, you have to turn off the ignition first. Then quickly press the wiper stick downwards. The wiper blades will come to servicing position. Now unclip the old wiper blade and put back the handle very gently. Make sure you got the right clip. Now press the clip with wiper blade firmly. Now lift the arm and insert the wiper blade. Just wiggle gently until you get the clip. Now take off the second wiper blade to replace with new one. Also be mindful about the size. 24mm goes to driver's side and 21mm goes to passenger side. Both blades are replaced and working perfectly. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Also turn on bell icon. See you next time.